Hey, how's it going? So we're gonna go over how to draw Miles Morales. It's gonna be full body. It's gonna be step by step by step for beginners. So let's get started. Okay. Let's get started. Let's do it. So right here, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curved line here for the top of the head. Gonna pull a line downward here. Straight line underneath. Curve line on this side, and it's going to go down here. Okay. Going to pull a line down here for the neck, line down here for the neck. Over here on this side, I'm going to pull out, curve down for the shoulder area. Line down here for this side of the shoulder, curve. I'm going to pull a line down to the elbow and down to the hand. Line over here, pull up, kind of for the forearm area. And pull another line up over here in that area. Gonna go pull a line over here, curve for the chest, pull in, straight down. And I'm gonna pull a line out over here for the leg going up. Curve around that area, pull down, curve, right on. I'm gonna go here and actually, this is the biggest difference. I'm gonna give him like a tennis shoe. So curve down right here for kind of the tongue of that shoe. Out over here, down, line across, curve underneath for the bottom of that shoe, up, pulling up here. And over the back of the leg, up over here, right there. Over here to this side, I'm going to find underneath him, and I'm going to pull down. And now we're going to go to his hand over here, and his fingers are kind of touching the floor. Like there, like that. Cool, cool. I'm gonna go over here to his other side over here, and it's gonna be line over here, curve up, line down over here, and we're gonna have the other kind of tennis shoe in the back here, like so. We're gonna have his hand outward, so we're gonna pull that in, and then we're gonna have the bicep over here. Line out, finger, finger, line over here, line over here, line over here, underneath, curve up, curve line over here, and you're gonna kind of see the side of his body, but not really. Let's go over here and put smaller shapes in, okay? Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw Spider-Man or any kind of drawing lesson for beginners, hit that subscribe right now. Click that subscribe button and click that bell notification. It's gonna let you know when I post. I post 3 times every single day, so on different topics. Gonna go over here to the middle, curve out for the top of the eye, and curve underneath. Curve out over here, pull down, curve underneath. And we can draw let's draw the spider symbol right here on his chest. Line around the edges of that circle. To kind of these, it's gonna be the mouth of that spider. Pulling up right here, out right here, out right here, out right here. It's a little more like, they made it seem like it's spray painted on. Curve, curve, curve. Curve over here, and we're going to draw a circle around it. So right here I'm going to draw a curve, 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 curve underneath. Going to draw a line over here for the red on his arm, over here as well, red on his arm. And he has like red fingertips, I believe, right? He does have that netting. You can add it, or you know, you don't need to add it. Sometimes I think because his outfit's totally black, sometimes it looks pretty good without it. But let's go over here to his laces. So I'm gonna go over here, curve up, and I'm gonna draw lines across his laces over here. Line underneath, out, line underneath, curve up, line, line, line. Right on. And if you really want, you can add some netting over here. He has it on the bottom, curve, and we can draw a line, 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 line across like that. Same thing over here on this side. He has it all the way down his arm. I'm not spending too much time on it, right? I'm just kind of like putting it across there. And it is across his chest. And I'm gonna put it over here. I'm not doing it as dark as everything else though. Same thing to this far side arm. I'm not making it super dark though. Let's go to his face, circle, line out, line out, line out, line out, line out, line out, curve, 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 curve in a circular manner. Curve, 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 over here, line. And lastly, I'm gonna draw a thicker line just around the outside. Well, first off the outside of his head, but just kind of the outside area of this stuff. Line over here. And there we go. Well, actually, you know what we could do is you could draw another line right here for the eyes, right? Like a thicker area around the eye area. And there you go. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing. Please share the video with somebody you think might like Spider-Man, and I'll talk to you next time. Or you can share it on Twitter. Thank you, and I'll see you soon, okay? Stay positive, and I'll see you, artists.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.